In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a keyboard shortcut in Premiere. Specifically, I'm going to delete the Snap Key keyboard shortcut, which is just the letter S on your keyboard. If I hit S by accident, I turn this little bad boy off, and I like to keep it on, so I want to delete that shortcut. How do you do it? Well, you go up to your Edit button at the top left-hand corner, go down to Keyboard Shortcuts. Here you'll see the assignment for all your shortcuts, and the name of them is written out on the key. So here we can see S is Snap in Timeline. So in order to delete it, I can click on it and just exit out here on this command line, or I could search it, Snap in Timeline, and I can exit out here under Shortcut. This little S is the keyboard shortcut. I can just hit the X button and you will see that the key is now gray, meaning it no longer is a shortcut. And it really is that simple. And if I delete something by accident and I want to add it back on, I just search for the name of what I want to add. So Snap again, Snap in Timeline, and then I can just drag and drop it on the S key and it's assigned the S key once again. But like I said, I don't want that. I don't want it and I don't need it. So hit OK. And now if I hit the S key, nothing happens and I can just continue to work happy and not worry about it. I hope this helped you guys. If you want a video on anything, please request in the comments and I'll see what I can do. And check out my playlist in Premiere for more like this. Thanks.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my Explainer video channel.